Hello. In this video, we will discuss what an intensifier is and how to use intensifiers. Intensifiers are words that are used to make adjectives stronger. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun, such as excited, smart, or interesting. If we want to make one of those adjectives stronger, we would add an intensifier, such as very, really, or extremely. For example, we might say that someone is very excited, or really smart, or extremely interesting. Other common intensifiers include incredibly, exceptionally, particularly, unusually, and amazingly. Now, let's look at the form of intensifiers. Almost all of the time, an intensifier comes before an adjective. Think about the examples we just said. Very came before excited, and really came before smart. However, the word enough is an intensifier that follows an irregular form. The intensifier enough comes after the adjective. For example, we might say, he is strong enough to carry the heavy box, or she is old enough to drive a car. We would not say, he is enough strong, or she is enough old. Now, let's look at the two most common intensifiers, very and really. The word really can be used to describe almost any adjective. For example, pretend you want to describe how angry you are feeling. You might say that you are really angry. In this case, you could also say that you are very angry. While the word very can be used in this case, you need to be a little more careful when using it because you cannot use very with a certain group of adjectives called strong adjectives. Strong adjectives include words like enormous, tiny, amazing, and awful. Enormous means very big. Tiny means very small. Amazing means very good, and awful means very bad. These words have the intensifier very in their definition already. Therefore, you must be careful to not use very as an intensifier as well. Instead, you should choose another intensifier, such as absolutely, extremely, particularly, and really. Let's think back to the example we just described. Let's instead use the word furious to describe how you are feeling. We might say that you are really furious, but would we say you are very furious? Furious is a strong adjective because it means very angry. Therefore, when we describe how you are feeling, we would not say that you are very furious. Instead, we might say that you are extremely furious or absolutely furious. So let's summarize the key points from this video. Intensifiers are words that make adjectives stronger. Intensifiers usually come before an adjective, except in the case of the word enough, which comes after the adjective. Strong adjectives have the word very in the definition. Therefore, be careful not to use the intensifier very with those words. Next, you will play a game in which you practice using intensifiers by choosing the correct one for the sentence.